Hello YouTube, Namaskaram ellarkum. Today is 5th of September. Now the time is around 6:30 am in the morning. Now I am at Munnar. Me and my friend decided to travel all the way to Iravikulam National Park, which is one of the most sought out destinations in Munnar. Wow, that's a very good view. Okay, Iravikulam National Park is around 10 kilometers from Munnar and it houses the largest population of the entangled Thar. This is the entrance of the Iravikulam National Park. After taking the entry fees, which cost around 90 per head, there are bus services which take you to the top of the park. This is as far as the bus will go and it took around 20 minutes to reach here. The ride in the bus through the tea plantation and waterfalls are worth it. We are lucky to get the sightings of Nilgiri Thars sunbathing in the meadows.